Nowadays you have people, they can't even give you a bottle of water for free. Brother Shami, not even a bottle of water for free. Hazrat Uthman radiallahu ta'ala gave a well to the village and everybody, Muslim and non-Muslim, for free. Umpteen, unlimited. Maybe I might want to suggest, look how hot Florida is. If some of you are generous, I'm not telling you go build a well outside. Brother Azad will charge you tax for that. I'm not telling you can build a well here. The city will charge you also. But at least you could bring a case of water every Friday. Nah, you don't think so? You don't think so? Let's try to be a little realistic. All these people who come here on a hot day, everybody drink a bottle of water and drink. You don't think you will get blessings for that? I would love to initiate that. And so I could get some blessings too. I'm looking for Sadaqah Jari. I'm looking for Sadaqah that when we die, there will always be bottles of water here that people can, not only for Jummah, for 5 times Salah, there should always be. If all the masjids will have water all the time. And don't tell me you're going to let them drink the polluted water in the bathroom. Because then that's not the best thing, what we love. See? How many people you got in masjids in America? How many millions of Muslims in America? How many wealthy Muslims in America? You don't need to be a millionaire to bring a case of water. Yeah? And brothers and sisters and families drink a bottle of water. And every salah somebody comes and they drink a bottle of water. Don't you think we may not be able to invest in a well like Uthman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, but we can help quench the thirst of somebody studying Quran, somebody praying, somebody going to the house of Allah. See how simple the math is? There are ways we could do things and get blessings. There are ways we can do things. That's just a simple idea. And I know people do it in Ramadan, but why wait for Ramadan? That you do it just for fasting people. Why not 5 times Salah? Why not Jummah? Why not all the time? Why do we have to buy this? And we have people who own all these water shops. They make money like water. Some of our businessmen in Darul Uloom, oh yeah, they make money like water. How you see water? They make money like that. They can't even check the money they make. It's under their bed, in the cupboards, in the pots, in the pan, in their shoes, all over the place. Just be careful, IRS come home and visit you. So why you can't spend some of that and bring a couple of bottles of water? No, Brother Azad, we'll have to organize that when we get water, put a place for water then, inshallah. But good water. I'm not saying the toilet water. No. So we got to conclude.